will fly today, mate. Perfect. So that's perfectly level. That's 600mm off the footing. No joke.
Walked 100 miles and I still ain't sure which is what I'm trying so hard to find. The night seems longer and the wind blows louder when you wander so far from home. If I cross your mind, say a prayer, I'll find my way and get off of this. Let's go.
Work for me without hitting, you know what I mean? Nice. I'm gonna pull it tight. 12, 5, 62. Sound. Okay. 2 secs. No, I'm just gonna dob this here just so I can build a bit of a corner. What I had to do, because they've not got any internal measurements and I don't want to hang my line over and plumb down because it's not very accurate, I added all the external measurements we've got, which was like 13 meters, and then took away the 2 cavities, like the cavity that side, which is 350, the cavity side this side. That knocked off 700 and that gave us our internal measurement. Know what I'm saying, geezer? And now at least I can build a corner now. Roughly. Measure that again.
Do you know what footings need? Have you always got like a bit of play, if you know what I mean?
You've got play up until the top course.
Yeah.
So like I dobbed this on and plumbed down, and I've just checked it again, and I was about 5mm off. Yeah. So you've got play until you get to the top course. And I've got to pull it tight. Depends how tight I really want to pull it. Depends on the measurement, but that's bang on that. I'm happy with that. Cool, and then I'll square it off. No, I never got a break. I will fly today, mate. No joke. Wow, so we've had a little bit of a busy morning. We've put down 200 or so block right there. A lot quicker today because I've got Logan here helping me out, so we are actually on top of mixing and loading out, which is perfect. Now I've just set up this corner and this wall. Let's have a little listen. Perfect, so that's perfectly level. That's 600 mil off the footing, only 300 mil remaining to our finished floor level. So to set it out, all we've done is just use all these internal measurements here. So we've got 7390, and that's the inside measurement from the internal blockwork over there to the internal blockwork here. And I've done the exact same for this measurement, which we have 4 meters 713 mil. You see that? And that's the back measurement from the inside skin of that wall to the inside skin of this wall here. I'll probably get 2 courses on. I've checked with some lines and stuff for square, but it's always hard to square this high up. So I'll probably pull 2 courses through, which I know are pretty much millimeter perfect. And then once I'm a little bit higher up, I'll throw my big square on and we'll really be able to see this for square. But for now, we're gonna carry on blasting and we'll catch up in a little bit. So this is something we've been doing on the first course and maybe the second, when we need to pick up a little bit, when the footing dips a little. I've just got Logan just dropping the compo in rather than me spreading it properly. And then all we've been doing is just picking up the block and kind of actually, I'll tell you what. Go on, put that down. Nice, hold that for a sec. Sorry, to just take, God, no wonder you can never get any work done. So yeah, we've been like dobbing the bed on like that and then scooping the perp up. And you can still see, even though we've got loads of bed, we're still a little bit low. There we go. And you can see how my perps are still getting full. There we go. So that's what we've been doing. So we're going to continue doing that. Absolutely fly. Nice. Sure with it, honestly. So we've just finished this wall here, so I've got that final course on. Earlier on during the time lapse, I don't know if you would have seen, I did a 3 meters at 4 meters across and then connected those two, so that's just making sure we're square. And we were 8 mil, and it turned out that this corner ever so slightly just creeped over a few millimeters, so I've just brought that back a little bit, got this perfectly square. This wall is already square, I know that, but I just did another 345 on this wall here. You can see where I've done some marks and that's bang on as well. So I've just taken a measurement from the internal wall there, which again is 7 meters 390 mil, and I've just done a nice plumb bob there, just a nice plumb line. So all I need to do is run this in to that brickwork there. So get these 4 courses on. The lads are going to continue to load out the rest, and then tomorrow I've got Big Jake here. I've got Big Jake here to help me out with laying, so we'll be absolutely flying. Oh wow.
Wish I could wear peace like this shirt on my back, then give it away whenever somebody asks. Every time I try, I catch myself reaching for it from someone else. Why is it so hard to hold on to? Maybe I'm obsessed with a hurried rush.
Right, there we go. Not a bad day. It is 25 past 3. We've just had a bit of a tidy up and an organisation hour or half an hour on site sorting everything out, but overall not a bad day. Everything nice and square, level, which is really decent. Many more blocks laid today. I think we got, well, I got about 350 down, which isn't too bad, but it's red hot. And we now need to nip over to a little job in Sheffield to wrap a few things up there. So a bit of a late one tonight, but no bother. So we're going to be back here tomorrow, me, Big Jake and Little Jake, and hopefully we should have most of this wrapped up.
A little too long, afraid so much has changed that I'll do it all wrong.